Volusia 6 Central. I think I located that Land Rover. Saxon, I think pulling into the Chick-fil-A. I'm going to try to get a better tag, but it's all blacked out. If you have area 1 that's fly ahead, just head this way.
Okay, it's on the move. It's exiting the parking lot right now. It's heading back towards Chick-fil-A, towards Saxon.
Alright, let's get some units in the area. Alright, he's coming out of Saxon. He's in a hurry, so he's going to go 12F here, I'm sure. He's coming up to the light at Veterans Memorial. Stopped in traffic. He's got the green light. Making a U-turn, jumping the median. He's signal 12. He knows we're here.
Everyone's got him. U-turn, head back towards I-4. On Saxon, back towards I-4. Vehicle's I-4 west, behind the blue vehicle. Passing him on the shoulder on the grass, going around the corner.
Guys, get somebody down to D-Rary and I-4 in case he jumps off. Stock sticks are authorized.
Yo, I'm coming up behind you.
Alright, 10-4, pretty heavy traffic on I-4. Yeah, we don't even push him out of here. Everyone's got it, let them call it.
Yeah, he's probably over 100, 110 miles per hour now in the outside lane, in and out of cars.
He's still running pretty fast, everyone.
Yeah, he's in and out of every lane of traffic there could be here. Moderate traffic, we're around the mile marker 97. Still on I-4, just past 434 in Longwood. Still on I-4.
I believe motor 40.
Okay, we're exiting at 436, Altamont Springs. He bailed somewhere right in here. We're trying to find him. Underneath probably the most trees in Seminole County here.
Flying. Sheriff's officer, the car! Outside the dog! You'll be back! Come on, bud, that's Duke, huh? Sheriff's coming! Get your hands up! Hands! It may just be that purse. Sheriff's office, canine! Think. Good, huh? Good. You watch that bad man. Well, you decided to feed him a purse instead of your butt?
No, he just grabbed my purse.
You gave him that purse. He don't like purses.
No, literally, I had my purse in front of my face. He just came and did it.
Well, you're lucky. You're lucky. Hey, bud. What a good suit, Kendo. Good suit, pal.